Hi everybody. So it's been a while since I've put out anything to do with stained glass in the last month. If you guys didn't know, I had carpal tunnel surgery on my right hand and I'm still waiting to get surgery done on my left hand, but for now I'm starting to get back to normal with my right hand. I did cut my first piece of small glass today, and it was a success and I'm so excited about it. And I also wanted to announce that I have finally been able to get some pressed flowers on my website for sale if anybody's interested in doing some of the pressed flower art that we do. I have a video on YouTube and Facebook Live, and I'll go ahead and link that in the description below. But I'm going to show you guys some of the flowers that I have available, and I'm just really happy to be able to offer these. These are, you know, I've shopped around and this is the best price and the best quality that I've been able to come up with. And so here we go. I'm going to show you guys some of the ones we have. Some of them are dyed, like these are dyed assorted hydrangeas. This is a 20-pack. This is available on my website, $11 with free shipping. They range between $11 and $12 with free shipping. I also have a couple of varieties on there that are in 5-packs. So the price on those I think is between $2.95 and $3.95 free shipping. So anyway, I wanted to show what I have. Like I said, some of these are dyed. These ones are dyed, and they will last longer than the natural ones as far as, you know, keeping their color. And so these ones here are dyed forget-me-nots. I'm going to try and get it up close. I love these ones. And I tried to get some green in there as well. These ones are just some fern leaves. Fern leaves. These are dyed. And I love these ones. These ones are Larkspur, assorted colors. And these ones are natural. These are probably one of my favorites. They're so Victorian looking. It's totally my style. And these ones are purple hydrangeas, and they're a nice deep purple. They're dyed. And I wanted to just, like I said, get some greenery in there, and these are just rose leaves. Rose leaves. And here's some silver leaves. And these are assorted colored hydrangeas. They are falling down because I moved the package around so much. And these ones, I think they're called daffodil. It looks like daffodils. Flowers dyed. I don't know if you pronounce it daffodilus, or I don't know, but they're really pretty. And these ones, you know, they have the stem on them, so they're a little bulky. But what I like to do is just take pieces of the flower and press that between glass, the little pieces. And these ones are roses with stems. These two are a little bulky, but I thought getting the greenery in with there would be a nice option. And I do have a couple that are available in small 5-packs like this, like I said, for the $3.95 and $2.95 price range. These are pansies, and they're so pretty. And I think I have the Queen Anne's lace in a 5-pack, and I think that's the only two I really have in 5-packs. But yeah, if you guys want to go on there and check that out, I'd really appreciate it. I also have all the supplies that you will need to do your pressed flower art. And like I said, I'll put the video in the description below. I'm also going to try to get out another kind of demo video using these flowers here. So stay tuned for that, and thank you all so much for your continued support. And go on over to my website, reneestainedglassworks.com, and check it out. Thanks again.